All right, so let's determine the symbol that makes the number sentence true. And again, number sentence is just a fancy schmancy way of saying equation. Okay, so the question is 6 something 9. So what math operation will cause 6 and 9 to be the same as 54? Now again, let's review our math operations. We have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Now we could just start plugging away and trying different operations, or we can make an observation here. What I'm noticing is that both 6 and 9 are smaller than 54. So we're going from two smaller numbers to a larger number. So we can immediately rule out subtraction and division. So let's try addition. So 6 plus 9, is that the same as 54? No, it is not the same as 54. Because 6 plus 9 will end up giving us 15, which is a far cry from 54. So let's go ahead and put in multiplication. And even though that's the only one that we have left, we should still check it. So 6 groups of 9 or 9 groups of 6, is that the same as 54? Now this is where remembering your multiplication facts comes in handy. Well, 6 groups of 9, or 6 times 9, is indeed 54. So multiplication would be the correct operation here. Well, what happens if you have a word problem and you're asked to construct a number sentence? Now, constructing a number sentence from a word problem is very helpful in solving complex problems. But let's look at a simple problem. Green Arrow decided to give away 200 arrows to 5 of his Justice League friends. How many arrows did each Justice League friend receive? So what operation are we going to use to solve this problem? We are going to use division. And the reason why is because, again, how many arrows did each Justice League friend receive? We're looking at how many arrows each. So each individual friend is going to be receiving part of 200 arrows. So it's going to be divided, 200 arrows is going to be divided among 5 friends. So we'll say that the answer is going to be A, to represent arrows. So how many arrows will each friend get? After performing the division, we can determine that each friend is going to receive 40 arrows. If you take 200 and divide it by 5, and I'll go ahead and solve that on the board real quick. After we plug and chug and do all of the math, do all of the fantastic 4th grade math skills, 40 arrows. So our final equation, number sentence, is going to be 200 divided by 5 equals 40. So that's how we compose number sentences, and also how we determine which operations make number sentences true.